So recently, I came upon a watch that can only be described as a treasure. Now, I found this watch at a yard sale and it was listed for a very, very inexpensive price. I almost feel like I stole it. So today I just wanted to make a really quick video to show you the watch that I just picked up for 25 cents. Now, there's a little star next to that because I did have to buy some parts to get it up and running. So with the introduction out of the way, let's flip the camera around and take a look at my 25-cent watch. Here is my A.W. Co. Waltham Grade P.S. Bartlett pocket watch. Now, when I purchased this, it only had a piece of rope on the end, and it was not functioning. But look at that. There is an engraving, a very pretty engraving. Hopefully the camera will show it, of a horse head on the back. And if you know anything about this watch more than I'm going to say in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. It's got a nice thick glass crystal here. It's very, very pretty. And I think you're supposed to be able to press this and this opens, but I can't get that to work, so I've had to kind of pop it open. But look at that pretty, I believe that's an enamel dial. There's only one real blemish right there, and I could probably get that cleaned and you would never know. But the whole watch fits inside this case that flips open like this. Now inside this case, there's an engraving here with a serial number. I believe that has to do with the case itself. I'll have a better picture up here somewhere. But then here is where it is very pretty. Now take a look at this. Now the only part of this watch I've had to replace is the balance spring. The original balance spring was all twisted up, and I did try to unwind it and fix it, but I could never quite get it right. So I found a new balance assembly for like $50 on eBay, and I put it in. And while I didn't completely service this watch, because quite honestly, I was a little intimidated about taking it apart, I did clean all of the pivot points on the outside here, wound the watch up, gave it a little spin, and after a couple days, it just started ticking all by itself. And now it completely ticks all by itself and doesn't seem to have any problem keeping time. So there's another mark in here, which might be very hard to see. So I'll have a picture of it posted somewhere up here. Now, exact details of this watch you can find at pocketwatchdatabase.com. I'll pull that up here. So we've got a grade PS Bartlett. It was made by Waltham in Waltham, Massachusetts. You can see the serial number of my watch here. The model is the 1883. And their best guess is it was made in between May and October of 1886, which is crazy if you think about it. The size is 18S. They apparently made over 500,000 of these models, or grades, I would say. So that's not this specific watch necessarily, but the grade itself. It's an open face watch, of course. The movement setting is pendant. It's full plated. The regulator is a Church 1885 movement with a Breguet hairspring. And they say here the cases are various cases because you could take this movement and put it in a ton of different watch cases. So yeah, the crazy part about this, $50 all in, or $50.50 all in, because I did buy some other things at the yard sale. And I've got a perfectly running pocket watch from 1886. The other crazy thing is I can find no jeweler's marks inside the case or on the back of the movement. So unless the jeweler's marks are underneath the faceplate of the watch, from what I can tell, this watch has never been serviced. That's pretty crazy for it to be working and keeping perfect time. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you my latest watch find. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a great day.